Monster, we're gonna draw a snail.
Yeah, we hope you're gonna follow along with us. Are you a snail?
Yeah.
With your eyeballs sticking out?
Yeah, and I'm gonna touch you with them.
No, gross. Don't. We're using our markers to draw with, but our friends can use whatever they have at home or in the classroom. You could use crayons or even colored pencils. Let's start by drawing our little snail's mouth, and I'm going to draw it over here on the left so that we have room for the body or the shell over here. We're going to draw a little funny W shape. Yes, and then let's draw the top of our snail's head. We're going to draw pretty big. I'm going to draw it like this. I'm going to come over.
That's a really big head.
And then I come down right here, yeah. And then let's draw the eyes sticking out like how your eyes were sticking out.
Oh,
I'm gonna draw a circle and a circle to match.
They're floating now.
Yeah, they're floating. We're gonna connect them in a second. There you go. And then let's also add a highlight. So we'll draw a smaller circle in the top left to make the eyes shiny. And we'll color in the big circle. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video for extra time. Okay, now let's draw the outside of the eye. I'm gonna draw a circle going around that's bigger, and I'm gonna match that same circle for this eye. Now let's connect the eyes. I'm gonna draw 2 lines connecting to that eye and 2 lines connecting to that one. Okay, now let's draw the rest of our snail. I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw the belly coming down and then curving all the way over, almost right underneath this side. So you could curve down and maybe stop like right here. Yeah, okay, now let's give our snail some arms and also some feet. Even though I don't really think they have arms or feet. It's our cartoon snail. So we got a little U shape here for one arm. And then we can draw another one right here. I'm gonna draw it different though. We'll start down here. I'm gonna draw it coming up and connecting there. And then we'll come in and then like that. So it's kind of a weird shape. Almost the letter P, backwards P. Now let's draw one of the feet or the legs down here. And I'm going to draw a matching one over here on this side. And then we're going to start right here and we'll draw the rest of the body. We can draw a wiggly line that comes out and maybe stop there. Yeah, now we're ready to draw the shell. We're going to start here, and I'm going to curve really far down, and then we're going to curve up and keep going, and then we're going to draw it connecting into the head.
That's ginormous.
It's a big shell, yeah. We're drawing a giant snail. Yeah, keep going, and then connect in. Perfect. I think it would be funny if we gave our little snail some mail. Yeah.
That rhymes.
Yeah, it does. We're going to draw a shoulder strap. Maybe that's what it's called, or a backpack. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. It's funny. Sometimes we call the regular mail, the letters that we get in the mailbox, sometimes we call that snail mail because it's slower than email.
Oh, now I get it.
All right, let's draw the little pouch on the side. I'm going to draw a big letter U that comes down and we'll connect back up on the strap. And then we can draw a little flap that comes down. So we're going to draw a letter V right in the middle. And then we can draw a button right here. And then let's make the strap on our little mail pouch thicker. And we can do it here too. And then we can also draw the little swirl on our shell. And it's behind the pouch, but we can draw it in here. I'm going to draw it curving around and connecting to there. So we just got see a little bit sticking out. And we're going to imagine it going behind the pouch and then connecting over here. Oh, and let's also connect the snail's body into the shell. And we did it. We finished drawing our little snail carrying the mail. Except we still need to
Color it.
This part we're going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it. We finished. Is that the snail eyes?
Yeah.
Just like your eyes. Except you got to show your art friends. Those are cute. And what's this?
The mail is falling out because he's going so fast.
I called him slow, didn't I?
Yeah, and then he wanted you to regret saying that.
He's trying to prove me wrong.
Yeah.
I don't think I can catch this one. He's going really fast.
Yeah.
I thought it was such a fun idea. I had to add the mail too. And our friends could add even more things. They could draw a background, or maybe he's even racing a different snail.
Yeah, you could draw a mailbox and you could add a little envelope.
Oh yeah, he could be holding it and putting it into the mailbox.
Yeah. We hope you have fun drawing a snail.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye. I'm waving a flag.
Goodbye.